Hi everyone. In today's Sociology term series, we will discuss about helicopter parenting. First of all, what does helicopter parenting means? Helicopter parenting refers to parents who constantly hover over their child and are deeply involved in each aspect of their children's education, extracurricular activities, and free time. They are doing micromanagement of their child. Now, example is in India, this phenomena is quite visible, especially in middle class families. This phenomena is also more gendered, with girls more regulated by parents in each and every aspect of their education. You have to wear this, you have to go there, you cannot go at this time, you cannot use this language, you cannot behave like this, you cannot sit like this. These all are part of micro management or helicopter parenting. Impact: this is often criticized for reducing self esteem, efficacy, confidence, and leading to conditions like anxiety and depression. The application. Paper 1 2020, there was a question: evaluate the role of family in the socialization process of children in contemporary society. You can use helicopter parenting to discuss how parental involvement, often see in this parenting style, affects children's attitude towards education, societal values, and it may place high pressure on academic success. This can lead to a range of deviant activities. This can lead to a decline in self-esteem, negative attitude, perceptions, can lead to even suicide and various economic activities. Other application you can always use in questions related to patriarchy. You can always use the questions related to role of family in social change, socialization, urbanism and its impact on social and mental development. Because helicopter parenting is particular aspect of urbanism as a way of life. In the rural areas, this aspect is not visible. And this was again a PYQ. So this helicopter parenting has a wide range of application to substantiate your answer, to make your answers more sociological. And this you can utilize with example. I hope this will help you. Take care. Best wishes.